Hey, what's up everybody? Today is the last video in Bangkok for a very long time, but we just arrived to the Asiatique, and next to the wheel here, we'll show you around. This is very nice harbor front place to hang out and also to having dinner and just to hang out in general. Not too many people going, but in my opinion, worth a try. This is also how does it look like with the front of the wheel, with the chang, and there's the amusement little bit thing. There's also so many restaurants and the places to eat. Gonna show you around. Also, you can get the orange juice for the little truck. We came by car, and this is actually a nice thing actually here, but normally people coming by the river, but we came by car. By the way, our Grab was the BID Auto 3, which is the Chinese electric car from the premium range. Build your dreams, that's the meaning. It was very nice car. You can see on the Insta story actually something new, and that's the proper Asiatique here famous boat and the promenade and the restaurants and in the warehouses. Actually, cool place. Unfortunately, no sunset. Sunset's supposed to be somewhere there, and then you can see the panorama of the Bangkok by the river, but from the Asiatic different perspective. Cool, huh? Very cool indeed. Actually, a lot of people coming here for having a picture and stuff and videos, and you can enjoy the time in the restaurants here and there, everywhere. Actually, very cool indeed. And also there is restaurant in the boat, on the boat as well, so it's cool. I used to make a video here with Winny, obviously. If you haven't watched, you can check this out. And also inside you can get for having a shopping, so it's like a mall with the restaurants and stuff, everything one in one, many things in one basically. But for me, the landscape with the river and the skyscraper and the boat is the best here. But everybody can find something, whatever you like the best. And also this fish and chips, I think Happy Fish actually is the good place for the dinner today. Asiatiques celebrating 10-year anniversary. That's the proper name of the place, in case if you would like to Google by yourself how does it look like, and the view of the boat one more time. Overall, very cool. Very cool. There's also history of this place. You can read it there. Overall looks like this on Asiatique, the riverfront destination. This is like a tourist actually area, but also local people, a lot of local people also coming, and little bit of the history here as well. In case if you would like to read it, you can stop it or you can find this online and read it. Also from this perspective is very cool. You can see from the distance. So this is the pier. There's the Chao Phraya River in Bangkok, the ship, the condominiums, the wheel where we started this video, Asiatic. So many restaurants, so many bars. Actually, in my opinion, it's a little bit more alive when we were here last time, even maybe less people, but the most restaurants actually are open and looks okay. So it's cool. And also the loud music, which I can get a copyright from YouTube, unfortunately. That's why I have to talking fast and loud, otherwise I will get a trouble. But overall, very cool, looking very cool, and it's still not too busy, but I don't think so it's gonna be overcrowded in general recently. But you can find also nice restaurants like Sail to the Moon with so many nice foods like this one. And like many places here, there are a lot of nice decorations. There are recently the currency exchange thing, Travelex, which is the good brand to exchange the money, currency exchanges here into Thai baht, in case if you're interested. And overall, this is like a shopping mall. This is targeted into tourists, of course, so you can find the shops like this one. However, in my opinion, it's pretty enjoyable, especially if you came here afternoon. You know, it's like not bad. It's something different. This orange juice is actually so tempting. Probably it will be a little bit expensive here, but overall looks good. And we're gonna have a dinner later on at the end of the video, but I wanted to tell you it's too quiet, but looks more businesses actually come back to any kind of normal when we were here with Winny last time. Also, this place is it's the old army base, so all these buildings actually they're hangars, the warehouses, as you can see with the numbers, and for quite lots of history, but it's just as the tourist attraction recently. And they even opened the big supermarket at the front. It looks a little bit like some places in Western Australia where I've been. I forgot the name of these warehouses. Somebody showed me around, but it was something similar vibing actually. So this is like a water tower, warehouses. There's so many nice bars and restaurants actually here. I mean, like literally so many of them. Check this out. This one, it looks good. It looks really good and is more alive. I mean, it looks just simply better. There's even food court here with this nice huts and everything. It wasn't existing when I was here with Winny last time. Actually, when we were together, Winny, it was quite empty and deserted. But now it's definitely more alive. So a lot of cool stuff. You can have a spare ribs even. So the biggest surprise for me is they opened the Big C supermarket here, the new one and the big one. So at the same time, if you are visiting this place, you can make yourself the shopping, groceries, drinks, and stuff like this one. Will be definitely cheaper and bigger selection than just 7-Eleven, which is cool. It wasn't like that when I was here last time. Technically speaking, this is like an open concept of malls, shops, never-ending shops actually everywhere, and the food options. Then you can have a restaurant vibe, or you can have a street food vibe. Like this one, and so much nice stuff and lights. Especially if you come here afternoon, it's really decent. I recommend it come here at 5 or after the sunset, not really during daytime because it will be too hot and just simply too bright. You're not gonna enjoy it. But like if you come at this time, it's just simply very cool. Actually, a lot of very nice restaurants here. Like this one, Shori, will be Japanese and Turkish ice creams here. Actually, really a lot of new things happens here. Even you can have a Turkish kebab house. This one looks actually so decent. Oh, let's go this way. Actually, here is something cool. Many nice restaurants. Turkish cuisine, really cool. Actually, I feel it like now it's more attractive than it was last time. This is last my video actually from Thailand recently. I just wanted to show you. Anyways, this is very cool statue though. I have so many interesting food options and the restaurants. Actually, a lot of selection. Hello, a lot of Asian stuff here, obviously, but generally very cool indeed. I gonna tell you, very cool and a lot of interesting stuff you can find everywhere. Okay, dinner time. I'm get hungry looking at all of this stuff actually. Oh my god, and the candy shop at the end, and the chunk wheel actually looks cool. They have a nice promo. You buy one pizza like this one, this mixed sausage, you're gonna get margarita for free, which is cool. We have lots of food now. And Andy have a fish and chip. Why you put on the table like this? Nice. Okay, so food is pretty nice. Very nice decor here. I gonna tell you, at night especially when the sky is blue, not that very dark, is so cool here. So it's cool actually to be here.
Don't wanna grow another day, run around and always play. You're Jack Sparrow and I'm a dinosaur. Don't wanna grow another day. Now I miss you and I want you to be there again. Don't wanna grow another day. We can say forever young, fall in love with the rest unsung. Please hold my hand and ask me out to prom, and we can stay forever young. Oh,
happy accent, I would like to end up my Thai journey in Bangkok recently with my uncle and auntie. It was good crack. You know, always happy to travel summer. I will see you tomorrow in Bali.